Good morning, my dear class 6 students. Students, here I am, your science teacher, Mrs. Aarti Negi from Vidya Bal Bhavan School. Students, I hope all of you are fit, fine, active, healthy, free from all the diseases at your homes along with your family members. I hope you are fit and fine, perfectly all right at your homes. Now students, as you know that in this corona time, as you know that a disease is spreading all around us, that's why we are bounded at our homes. So that's why we are again moving ahead with our same online classes that we were doing before our holidays, before our summer breaks. So we are moving ahead with the same manner with our online classes. And during your holidays you were given the holiday homework, and I think all of you have completed that homework, and whenever the time and the site I will provide you, you will have to submit your holiday homework to me, and I will assign you marks on the basis of your holiday homework. Okay students, now let's come to our syllabus. As you know that already we have completed from our book. Let's open our book. Students, first of all open the index page of your books. Okay. So already we have completed chapter 1, food, where does it come from? Then second chapter, components of food, we have already completed. And the third chapter, that is fiber to fabric. These 3 chapters are completed till now. Now from this class onwards, we are moving ahead. We will move ahead with our chapter number 4. That is sorting materials into groups. Okay. So for this, open your book, page number A39. Okay. So students, let's move with our chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. So students, before moving ahead with this chapter, let's do an activity so that it will be easier for you to get the introduction of this chapter. Let's do this activity first. Okay students. So students, before starting the chapter, let's do an activity. So by doing this activity, you can get the knowledge of upcoming topics easily. Okay, so let's start students. Here I am having some objects with me that you can see here. Here I am having a wooden basket, an object made up of wood. Here I am having 2 types of pens, a small toy made up of plastic, again a toy made up of, yes, what kind of it is? Yes, it is made up of fabric, yes, or you can say cloth. Okay, next I am having a pencil. Next I have a remote of television. Then I am having a plastic bottle. Next thing I am having is a pouch, pouch made up of wood, fabric, or you can say cloth again. Here now the next thing, a very important essential thing nowadays for us, a mask. Here I am having a mask made up of cloth. Next object I am having here is a wooden article, that is a scale made up of wood. Next is a decorating item. This is a table mat, and it is again made up of wood. So students, here you can see I am having too many kinds of materials made up of different types of things. Like some materials are made up of wood, some materials are made up of plastic, and some materials are made up of fabric or cloth. So on the basis of their manufacturing thing, or you can say the thing the object is made up of, like the wooden objects, the fabric objects, the plastic objects. So we can arrange them in a set of things from which they are made up of. Like we can segregate them in a group of made by wood, group of things made by fabric, and the groups of things made by plastic. So let's start, students, this activity. Okay, first we will create a group of the objects made up of wood. So this basket made up of wood, here I am keeping it. Next wooden object is this, so I am keeping it along with this wooden basket. Now tell me, what is the next thing made up of wood? So can you guess that? Yes, very good. So next thing is the wooden scale. Okay, here. Now I'm again keeping it along with the previous wooden material. Okay, now let me make some space here for next things. Okay, now from these things, now students tell me, which thing is made up of wood? This? No. This one? No. This one? No. Is this made up of wood? Yes, you are correct. This is again made up of wood. So here we have created a group made up of things that are made by wood. Now let's make another group of the things that are manufactured by, or you can say made by, the fabric or cloth. So first is here a tiny little toy made up of fabric. Here I am keeping it here. Next thing is our mask. Yes, the mask made up of cloth. Again I am keeping it here in this group. And the next material that is our pouch. Okay, the pouch, again it is made up of fabric. So here we have created one more group, and this group is made up of fabric or cloth. So okay, now next thing is plastic group, means the things that are made up of plastics. So here in this group, first I am keeping here remote. Okay, then I am keeping here two pens that are made up of plastic. So here I am keeping it. Now the next thing is our plastic bottle. Again I am putting it here in this group. And the next thing is our plastic toy. So again I am keeping it with the plastic group. Now students, you can see that here we have created three kind of groups. The first group we have made, that is wooden group, means the articles that are made up of wood, we have kept them in a single group. Next group we have created with the things made from fabric or clothes. Here we have kept toy, mask and a pouch, and these three materials are made up of fabric. And the third group we have created the things that are made up of plastic. Here we have kept remote, two pens, a plastic bottle and a toy. So from this activity we can conclude that we can create groups of things made up of similar kind of objects, and same is the name of our chapter. So the name of our chapter is sorting materials into groups, means we can sort means segregate. Okay, segregate. So we can sort different kinds of materials in the different groups on the basis of their properties, or you can say qualities. And here the quality we have used is manufacturing material. Okay. So now students, let's start our activity 1, that is in the page number A40. Okay, so here in this activity you have given some objects like tumbler, chair, clothes, toys, statues, spoons, shoes, buckets. Okay, and then you have to write down the material from which objects can be made, like chair can be made up of wood or plastic. Okay, and here some materials I have already written, and you have to add on some more things. And the activity 2 here is to find out different kinds of object made from same material. Means in the table here some materials are provided to you like steel, cotton, leather, plastic, stones, and you have to write down the different objects made up of these material. Like from cotton we can make clothes, and we can make some more things also. That's what you have to write down. Okay students, that's it for today's session. Do your work regularly and be at your home. Be safe. Thank you. And instead of these things, try to write down some more material. Some I have provided, some you have to write down. Okay, thank you.